Making sense of decimals. Transforming decimals into mixed numbers. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating part of the English language that involves numbers, specifically, decimals. By the end of this video, you will be able to convert decimals to mixed numbers with confidence and ease. Let's get started. Before we start converting, let's make sure we understand what decimals and mixed numbers are. A decimal is a number that represents a fraction using a decimal point. For example, the decimal 0.75 is equivalent to the fraction 3/4. On the other hand, a mixed number is a whole number combined with a fraction. An example of a mixed number is 1/2, which is a combination of the whole number 1 and the fraction 1/2. The first step in converting a decimal to a mixed number is transforming the decimal into a fraction. To do this, the decimal must be considered as a fraction with a denominator based on its place value. For instance, the decimal 0.75 is read as 75/100ths, making it 75/100ths as a fraction. Next, we need to simplify the fraction. Using the example 75/100ths, we find the greatest common divisor, GCD, between the numerator and the denominator. In this case, the GCD is 25. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by 25 to simplify the fraction. We then have 3/4. Once we have our simplified fraction, it's time to convert it to a mixed number if the fraction is improper. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, the fraction 5/2 can be converted into a mixed number by dividing the numerator by the denominator. The result is the whole number part of the mixed number. The remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction part. Thus, 5/2 becomes 2.5 as a mixed number. There you have it. We've just journeyed through the process of converting decimals to mixed numbers. With practice, you'll be able to do these conversions quickly and accurately. Remember, math and numbers are a universal language, and by understanding them better, you're not only improving your English skills, but also your numerical literacy. Until our next numerical adventure, keep practicing and happy learning.